X got that heat, boy.
Holy moly, it's been a minute. Welcome back, Basic Fam. Welcome back to the channel. Today, hello. What's happening today? I just woke up.
Old employer, American Tire Company, is hosting a meet and greet for lifted trucks, but the guy that's actually hosting it told me that we can save some stalls inside the shop for cars. So we got 4 of us heading to Kapolei, meet and greet, see some lifted trucks, see some cars, not that much, maybe like 10 at the most.
Might just be us, who knows?
There'll be like maybe 3 more, maybe.
But yeah, new shop?
Old shop, but first time they're ever hosting something.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Let's go expose them real fast.
All their flaws.
Okay, look at this. He's got his old wheels back on for today. So right now we're gonna go meet up with the rest of the team members that are coming and then go check out the show. Shuts. Alright, we made it to the Team Basic pre-meet. Small kind late in the video, but how's it? I'm Maui. This is Logan. And his Supercharged 2015 X Runner.
It's a gay bitch, don't look at her.
Oh wow, watch your language.
She's ugly.
This is a PG-14.
She's slow and ugly and gross.
PGS-14, that's my baby.
Piece of shit.
Oh!
Nah, sorry.
Look at this thing though. It's kinda like me. Ah, fuck it. Got the team founder Micah. He's hiding in his car. We're waiting for the rest of the boys. Who's coming?
I don't know.
Me neither.
Oh, you want to see what fun I did recently?
What?
My truck?
What?
It's playing.
So Logan and I have been running with no music for the longest time. All we hear is our straight pipe.
Straight pipe. It's not fun.
He got a new deck. Plays YouTube and stuff. All that music
It's
stuff.
dangerous. When I drive, it's dangerous.
He watches porn while he drives.
Hell yeah. Pornhub all the way.
That's how he lost all this weight. That's
Wouldn't my arm be huge then? I swear my arms aren't that big.
forearm check, forearm check.
Nope, look, forearm check right next. Not that big, see?
Jeez. So yeah, this is Micah, the team founder.
So you guys do not know of this, but this is pretty much our newest member.
Yeah.
And he has a beast of a build.
Yeah.
His G before that was a beast.
He's my buddy.
Yeah.
My SC buddy.
He's his Supercharged buddy.
Get off of the car, it's too fragile for your ass.
Oh, wait.
Look at this thing.
I didn't know you had a vlog.
Hey, shut the it's been a while.
It's been a month at least.
Yo. What's up, brother?
What's up, man?
Look at this thing.
First time I seen it in the light.
Oh my goodness. All right, Kenjamin, where are we at?
We're at Kapolei,
Yup,
West Side Kapolei.
yup.
We're at the auto shop called American Tire Company.
What do you think they do here?
Change tires.
Good. So come out to Kapolei, get your deals on possibly the cheapest tires of any kind of tires. Big trucks, little trucks, regular trucks, tiny trucks, even cars. Guarantee you if they don't have it in stock, they will order it for you. This is the boss man.
First thing we're going to give out is a pair of tires, not just big frame.
Thank you. Thank you guys for coming out. Toyo tires, premium off-road performance.
How you feel about raffles?
I never win. I never ever. I'm always like one off. Like I'm 88, they might say 87 or 78.
King and Eddie Urban Bose.
And also Car Club is it KV Car Club. Thank you to Montana for bringing the Car Club out here. We're gonna be running for about another 5-10 minutes, and then we're gonna start heading out. Try not to burn out when you guys leave.
Alright guys, that was it for the vlog. Super long day, super cool. A lot of cool cars. Hope you guys like the content. Don't forget to follow these guys and all of their businesses and clubs and builds and stuff. This is. Hi to Ken again. What, good fun?
Grand Theft Auto.
These are all ours.